Hi, I'm Chris Jarrow. I'm the sales manager for our service and parts department. Today, I'm here to give you a quick overview of our machine monitoring service, Remote360. Remote360 is a web-based application that allows users to remotely monitor their Mitsubishi laser and EDM equipment. Remote360 allows users to be able to receive real-time status updates, receive notifications via mobile device or email, monitor levels of production, and to stay on top of their consumption for all the consumables they are going through on the equipment. Remote360 will automatically update every 7 to 10 seconds. So from your mobile device or PC or tablet, you're able to see if the machine is currently running, idle, stopped, or has an alarm. In the event that you do have an alarm, but you're not currently looking at the dashboard, the service is able to send a notification via your email or mobile device to inform you of operation being interrupted and allow the user to be more proactive and responsive in the event that the machine is stopped. Remote360 also allows you to track your levels of production. This requires no input manually by the user, and the data is automatically output from the machine. You can break the data down via daily, weekly, monthly, by shift, in whatever format the user chooses. This will allow the user to see where production time is being lost and to determine what adjustments need to be made to keep your machines more productive. One of the other benefits of Remote360 is the remote support. This allows our technicians and engineers, when they are assisting customers over the phone, to be able to remotely connect into the machine to make it easier for them to help diagnose and troubleshoot problems, make adjustments to power settings or programs, and perform any screen function as if they are in front of the controller without having to be there. The Remote360 dashboard contains a lot of information. So to provide better education to our customers on how better to use the service, there are tutorial videos that they can watch. This will give users the tools to get the most out of the Remote360 service. If you have additional questions or would like more information on the service, feel free to contact our service department via email or phone number.